I'm 26 years old, water engineer. I have studied heat, gas and water technology for 8 years. My passion is inventing and creating new products for engineers. All began 8 years ago when I was 18. After school, I worked for an international production company. I had to work on very complex projects designing solutions for city water and sewage grid. All of those projects have now been implemented and proven working in city infrastructure. After 3 years working and seeing competitor solutions, I realized that these technologies need improvement. Things need to be done better way. To realize my ideas, I decided to change market standards. So 5 years ago, I decided to make my own company to produce complex solutions for water supply and sewage. One of new solutions I manufactured was individual, fully automated pumping stations. It excited me to be creating new products in market and replace morally and technically outdated solutions with new ones. Campaign is about starting production of heat insulated chambers for water and sewage to save energy, long life materials with competitive price, to be sure that we are not polluting environment with non-tight sewage systems made from concrete or other pure quality materials, and most important, to make safer everyday life for people who is caring about sewage and water systems. There's need to build one more factory next to existing one and connect them together as huge one. I have already invested 170,000 euros to build one factory. There's need to buy a rotational molding machine and put it in a new factory to produce large dimension components for chambers. This cost around 80,000 euros. I have invested 50,000 euros in molds for rotation molding, but do not have plant. There is need for injection molding machine and put it in a new factory as well to produce small components for chambers. This machine costs around 85,000 euros. There is need for 11 more additional steel molds for rotational molding, vacuum forming and injection molding. Each mold costs around 5,000 euros. At least 10,000 euros I need to build by myself additional 5 vacuum forming machines. I have made one by myself, so at least we have all missing components. We can make information campaign to all waterworks companies that they can get heat insulated chambers for water knots or sewage pressure and gravity system in great long life plastic design. About unique perks, as I cannot produce and send to each person huge chamber with pumps inside of it or something like that, I can make remembrance small chamber on just finished vacuum forming machine titled Owner of Water Touch Company. Where the funds go if I don't reach my entire goal? All funds goes to realize this project anyway. There's a lot of points to do. There's possibility to build vacuum forming machines and molds by rot molding machine, build one more factory and so on, because there's spent already 400,000 euros in the last 5 years. I feel myself investing in better future. Explaining more about campaign. Firstly, we all are drinking water, and if there is pure quality chambers, pipes and system at all, then sewage is going to environment and make dirty our drinking water. Second part is heat insulation for sewage system. When we release bath, there is 100 liters with warm water, and if we get back spent energy to warm it up, we use less energy for different processes. Thirdly, there's a lot of people working on pipelines, cleaning sewage systems, survey water chambers, and their weekday is getting in bad conditions. Concrete chambers with unstable construction, there is risks to get injury or get infections. This is new environment-friendly product which will improve the system how clean water is being supplied and sewage taken away. I have made heat insulated chamber for water meter, so people have this chamber in their garden and nobody from waterworks disturb them at home to take meter readings. Until now people had water meter in house and waterwork companies may disturb people private at their homes. Now it's different, but there is a lot of more system components should be improved in nowadays. I can make all these nuts and chambers produced in factory, not on site, so quality is in a different level. We can save energy and take it out from warm wastewater system. We all together can save our environment.